let's talk about labels. What are labels and how do you use them in Microsoft Source Control? Labels are an indicator of a certain state at a certain time of the code base. For example, if my trunk is ready to be released, I should apply a label called release, marking its release state. I can do so by simply applying a quick label, call it release 1, and click OK. Label release 1 successfully created. I could have used the first option called apply label, which is exactly the same, giving me a little bit more detailed options. For example, choosing which folder I really would like to apply the label on, based on what version. And then of course, here I can give it the label and then really choose all the items I would like to label. We have our label. Where labels come in handy later on is, for example, we just created a label for release 1 to mark the state of our code. Let's say the development team or the QA team, somebody finds a defect out in production for release 1 and would like to only fix that defect and then redeploy to production without really disturbing any current development that's going on the trunk. That is a very common scenario. So what you usually do is you create a branch based on that label. For example, to create a branch off of the trunk based on a label, you would right-click on your trunk, choose the branch menu, choose this location where you would like to store the branch. In this case, I would call it trunk release 1. And instead of choosing the latest version, I will choose the label. Finding my label is easy. Simply click the Find, select your label, and click Close. It will also give you the option to create a local working copy of your new branch. We will omit that option for now. Click OK to create the branch. The branch has been created. However, notice the branch symbol here, indicating that the branch has not been committed yet to the source control repository. Henceforth, the pending change is branch. For us to check in the branch, we can simply highlight the trunk release 1 branch and click the check-in button, which brings up the window to allow me to add additional comments. For example, created release 1 branch. Check in. And that's it.